Hi, my name is Matthew Pierce. I'm a software engineer, and today I'd like to talk with you about how to remove a Trojan Rootkit from your PC. Now, Trojan Rootkit has two parts. It's got the Trojan part, which somehow tricked you into installing it on your PC through, could have been an infected web page or some sort of a phishing exploit, or something. Somehow you got tricked into installing this thing on your PC. And then there's a rootkit part. The rootkit is, it's malware or malicious software that gains root access to your PC. Root access means like administrative capability, so it can go in and do anything it wants. So once it does that, then it's particularly nasty because it can interweave itself in with your operating system, and they do. So that if you do something like you're going to do a directory listing, or you're trying to find it, say in the process table or something, well, it can see you doing that, and it can block itself from being listed in the directory listing or in the process table or whatever you're doing. It can also monitor your network traffic and redirect you to other places. It can monitor your keyboard. And it's really a nasty thing to have on there, and it's very difficult to get rid of because it's interwoven in with the operating system. So if you do things that it's aware of and it's programmed, it can block stuff. But there are some free anti-rootkit or rootkit removal tools out there that you can get on the internet. If you go to this site right here, there's a list of all sorts of free rootkit removal tools. Like it's got Windows malicious software removal, though it states it's not a full-blown rootkit removal tool, but it does have a lot of good stuff that can help you get one off. There's Sophos, here's the HyperSite, but two of them that I like a lot is Sophos. It's got a good reputation, and I've used it before. And another one is AVG's anti-rootkit. They both do really good jobs for what they can do. Again, it's difficult to get rid of rootkits. Avast also has built into its antivirus an anti-rootkit tool. So any one of those three will keep you very well protected. What you're going to want to do is download them, install them, let them get updated, and then run them. You may not be able to run them from your regular normal boot up. You may have to go into what's called safe mode. Now, to go to safe mode, you have to reboot your PC, and then as it's coming up, you want to tap the F8 key, and you'll be presented with a screen that looks like this. You'll have all sorts of options of how to boot up. You can go safe mode with networking and whatnot. Just pick safe mode. Once you get that done, then you will boot up into a window that looks like this. Now, I've got this running on my VirtualBox VMware-like tool, so I can have a virtual machine running. But you can see here, you'll have safe mode up in the corners. You won't have this menu up here. That's part of VirtualBox. But you'll boot up into safe mode, and then you can run the tool. The reason why safe mode works better is because safe mode is a very minimal boot up environment that has just the minimum tools or libraries and devices running to allow you to boot up and just to boot up and get some stuff done. It doesn't have things like sound drivers or your enhanced video drivers, anything like that. It's just the minimum, and hopefully, most likely, your rootkit or other piece of malware won't be running when you come up in safe mode, and you'll be able to get rid of them. Now, once you get rid of the rootkit, you're only halfway done, because the rootkit could let all sorts of other stuff in. So at that point, you're going to want to run in safe mode again, something like Super Anti-Spyware, Malwarebytes, or Spybot Search and Destroy, which are all available on the web. You can go here, do a Google for Super Anti-Spyware. It'll take you right to their website. You can download it from here. Same thing with Malwarebytes. You can go right to their anti-malware website and download it right there. Same thing with Spybot. You can just go right to their website, and again, I've just Googled these names, and you can get the bits and download them from there and install them. All very easily installed and runnable from safe mode, and it will clean out any malware you have. Now, since rootkits are so insidious, they're one of the most difficult ones to get rid of, and the most difficult ones to be confident that you got rid of it on your system. Most businesses, once a PC has been infected with a rootkit, they won't let them back on the network. They will you'll save off your data that you have, that's anything that's not infected, and then the business will have their IT department reformat and reinstall the operating system on it because the rootkit gets itself wedged in there very tightly. So it's very difficult to really have the confidence that now your system is clean because of the way a rootkit works. But you can have a pretty reasonable expectation that you can get it clean. My name is Matthew Pierce. Today we talked about how to get rid of a Trojan rootkit for your PC. Thanks for watching.